Hi everyone. So we are going to start applying simple rules, basic rules of Sudoku, and how would you solve these puzzles, how would you number them, how would you make it proper. Without any mistakes, you need to fill the numbers. So basically this game has 9 numbers starting from 1 to 9, just 9 numbers. We need to shuffle around that 9 numbers to make it a perfect fit. So first let me take you down each one by one. First, I have selected a 3 by 3 box. It should contain elements from 1 to 9. As of now, let's see. So the only 5 number is missing, so I am going to click on this 5. It's done. And vertically, horizontally, numbers can't repeat in that row or that column. So now we are going to consider the horizontal row where one number is missing. So practically that number is 9. So I am going to click on the square and click on 9. And now same rule applied for vertical column. So here the missing element is 8. So we are done. So let's move on to the next. Okay, so let's move on to the next, how we solve things. Always choose the less numbers to be filled boxes. Here this particular box has only one number left to fill. It's simple, 1. Done. So okay, this top box has one number left. It is basically 2. So it's done. Okay, likewise, okay, now this is the 2 numbers that is missing in this 3 by 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. As we have 4 here, 4 will not appear here. So the only probability for 4 is here. The other missing piece is 6. So 6. So let me go to the next row. So we have 6 here. So this box will not have 6. We have 6 here. This 2 boxes will not have 6. So the probability is this and this. As we have 6 here, we will not have 6 here. So the only left out option is 6. Likewise, in this we have 6 here. 1, 2, 3. These 3 boxes needs to be filled. And horizontally, this will not have 6 because we have 6 here. This will not have 6 because we have 6 here. So the only probability is 6. Okay, another methodology what we can follow to complete the puzzle faster. At the bottom you see 1 should come 2 times, 2 should come 2 times, 3 should come 2 times, 4 should come 2 times, 5 should come 3 times, 7 3 times, 8 2 times, 9 1 time. So 9 is the least probable option. So we can switch on this functionality lightning mode and click on 9. So you can see 9 on the last 3, middle 3 and here. So this piece should have 9 9 9. Any one of these should have 9. So these two can't have 9 because 9 is here already. So I am going for this 9. Yes. This is another methodology we can use to fill the lightning mode. Okay, now let's go to the old fashion. 1 is here, 1 is here. The only left out box 1. And 1 is here, 1 is here. Left out box is 1. Go for the 2. 2 is here, so 2 can't appear in these 2. So only probability 2. Here is 1 box 2. So let me go fast and get the other things completed. 3, 3, then 4, 4, and go for 5, 5, 5. Then when we go for 7, okay, we have a 7 here, so only box 7. There is a box for 7 and here is a box for 7. So the only probability left out is 8. So let's see. Here one 8 is missing. Here one another 8 is missing. We are going to complete the game. Yes. Thank you.